Walking down the moonlight road, shadows dance and stories told. Night is cold but hearts are warm, stars above in cosmic storm. Silent whispers through the trees, echo soft with midnight breeze. Footsteps light yet echo deep, souls awaken from their sleep. Silent whispers through the trees, echo soft with midnight breeze. Footsteps light yet echo deep, souls awaken from their sleep. Moonlight road where dreams reside, magic moments side by side. Every step a mystery, in the night we're wild and free. Silver glow on rivers bend, endless path, it has no end. Eyes can see what hearts can't tell, by the moon we're under spell. Close your eyes and feel the night, every sound a pure delight. Lost but found in twilight's gleam, on this path we chase the dream. Moonlight road where dreams reside, magic moments side by side. Every step a mystery, in the night we're wild and free. Close your eyes and feel the night, every sound a pure delight. Lost but found in twilight's gleam, on this path we chase the dream. Moonlight road where dreams reside.